So why does everything, from atoms to entire galaxies, seem caught in this endless cosmic whirl? Imagine pressing pause on time, freezing the universe for a single instant. You'd still see Jupiter rotating once every 10 hours, Earth turning beneath your feet at over 1,000 miles per hour, and the Milky Way rotating around its center at more than 500,000 miles per hour. Even space itself, the very fabric of reality, might be rotating on scales so large we can barely detect it. But what started this motion, and why hasn't it stopped? This is Tomorrow Explained. I'm Dennis, a designer, researcher, and storyteller exploring the forces shaping our world and the worlds beyond it. Every week, we break down the science and ideas that reveal where we're headed next. To understand why the universe spins, we have to go back to the beginning. Not the Big Bang itself, but the tiny quantum fluctuations before it. In the first fractions of a second, energy and matter were not evenly spread out. There were small, random ripples, tiny differences in density. Those slight imbalances created the seeds of every galaxy, star, and planet that would ever exist. As gravity pulled matter together, those ripples began to swirl. And once things started moving, they kept moving. That's because of one of physics's most beautiful rules, the conservation of angular momentum. It says that if something starts spinning and no outside force acts on it, it'll keep spinning forever. You can see this law in action every time a figure skater pulls their arms in. Their spin speeds up because their mass is now closer to their center. Planets form the same way. Billions of years ago, clouds of gas and dust began collapsing under gravity. As they shrank, they spun faster and faster, like cosmic skaters pulling their arms in. Those spinning disks became stars, and within them, smaller eddies of gas and rock formed planets, each carrying a piece of that original spin. That's why Earth rotates. It's not something it learned to do, it's something it inherited. The same principle scales up. Our entire solar system spins around the center of the Milky Way, completing a full orbit every 230 million years. And the Milky Way itself is spinning inside a vast cosmic web of other galaxies, each rotating, colliding, and merging in slow motion over billions of years. But here's the strange part.